Good morning, good people. It is currently 6:40. I'm gonna show you how dedicated I am about these haircuts, man. So me and my boy, we always cut each other hair. I am going to drive 2 hours just to go get my hair cut for my birthday. You see, I already dyed my beard. I put a little Beijing in it. It looks good, it looks natural. I hope I don't get frustrated, you know, if I do run into traffic. I guess I have to show y'all all that too, you know, but let's get it, man. I'm turning 30, let's go.
Stay in hustle mode, got some brand new clothes, hit them with a pose, check what I just drove, my car don't touch the road.
Man, I really like being on the road in the morning. There'll be no cars out in Atlanta. Let's go. I can't make this up, bro. It's not like I be trying to attract this type of stuff, but man, it never fails. I leave early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock, y'all. And we have a traffic jam. I'm hoping it's not an accident. And if it is an accident, I hope them folks okay. But this really don't make no sense to me at all. Yes, sir. Your boy finally made it. Always late. I swear, man. Yeah, get out the car. Get out the car, bro. Get out the car. Open the door. Open the door. Chump. What you doing being 15 minutes late? Bro, I told you I was gonna be here at 8:30. I even shared my location with you. What you gonna say? You can't even say nothing. Yeah.
You weren't here at 8:30.
Yes, I was. No, I took my time, nigga. Come on, man, let's go. I gotta pee.
Go pee. Oh. You don't need no pee.
Man, come on, bro. I'm taking my haircut, bro. I'm trying to get you first.
One of these tickets,
all right, man. Hurry up. You already know we got the trailer parts in the back. This is where I came from, man. Came from the trailer parts, upgraded to the ATL, but. You know, I got to get my hair cut for my birthday real quick. I'm going to show y'all a couple snippets, you know, as I'm cutting through the heads and stuff like that. But my boy Mike truck right there, boy. That thing is nice, boy. That cherry red. I can't even lie to you. Got them blades on it, too. I'm about to go in there and say what's up to these folks. Let's get it. Always working. Always working. My boy Trey, what's up, man? Got the OG Mike over there. You already know. Oh, no. Boy, you grow your hair back. What you want, bro? Yes, sir, boy. Get to sweeping. Get to sweeping. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, don't worry. We're going to get Trey next. Ain't that right, Trey? Mike, you next.
Who that?
That's it. That's it, boy.
Cancer season, man.
Hey, cancer season. What's up, man? You already know. Boy, this be getting on my nerves. Other aggravating. Hey, what's your name, bro?
You got me verses. Verses. You know, like the verse.
Hey, you look like a Kiki.
I got one like.
Like dog, please, Mike.
As a man, what I said,
Good seeing you, brother. You good? D, appreciate you. Go get that new shoe.
behind that,
Hold on. What? Hey. Do some of that. Let me tell y'all something. There you go. That's the angle I'm looking for. My boy never fails me. Hold on. Let me turn that air off so y'all can make sure y'all hear me. My boy D. James Jones. That's what I call him. That man never failed me, bro. Now, this is a birthday cut. Beard looking good, crispy, shined up. It's time to go act a fool. We going to Vegas. And that's why I drive 2 hours to come get a haircut. You feel me? I'm hungry, but I ain't gonna get me something to eat, man. You know what? I'm gonna feel bad if I don't do this. Cause I'm practicing my Chick-fil-A. My boy spot right here. Let me show y'all this thing. Just for kicks. Holla at my boy Jay Garrett, man. If you down here in Warner Robins, you need some shoes, this is where to go. Let me pop up on them real quick. Yo. Huh? Boy, I had to put my boy in the vlog. What's up, bro? You doing all right, man? Had to put my boy on the vlog real quick. What's happening, boy? Give me some. I feel bad, man. I was going to Chick-fil-A. I was like, man, let me go ahead and holler at my boy real quick, boy. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We got more videos dropping, man. I'm showing y'all the daily life of a barber. It can be difficult sometimes. And it can be joyous. Mostly joyous, though, you know. But all right, y'all. Peace.